In this video, I'm going to show you how to design your background in Power BI. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside Power BI, you want to go to the View tab up top, and then over here you can see a bunch of different templates. You can go ahead and just click on this arrow down button, and then at the bottom here, if you scroll down, it's going to say a bunch of different things. Now, the first one is Browse for Themes. So in case you have any of your on your computer, you can just click on that and look for it, or you could even open up the theme gallery, which will basically open it up, and then you can get some there. Now you can also customize your current theme by clicking on here, and then this will allow you to basically change a bunch of different things. Now, if you would like to change your background, you want to go, for example, to the page over here, and then this will allow you to change the color. So for example, if I want to put the color to, for example, like light blue over here, I can go and click on that, and I can set the transparency as well, and then I can click on apply, and then that will basically put on the wallpaper. So as you can see, like this, or I could also go over here and again inside the customize current theme, and then I have the option to also set page background here, and this will always, of course, allow me to change it into whatever I want it to be. Okay, so those are the two ways you can do this to design your background. Of course, you could also go down here, and then you have a bunch of different options here as well, which are kind of pre-made inside Power BI. You could also use these, or of course, just load up your own. If you have it on your computer, you could design it in another program, and then just load it in here, and then use it as basically a background and design it that way. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.